A very good evening, everyone. Myself Priya is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis from Hindu newspaper, which is given on 24th August 2020. So, as usual, how we go daily, we are going to go in the same way today also. So, we are going to discuss two articles of today's editorial. In this editorial session, I'm going to cover you the vocabulary part, which is difficult to understand, with examples of each and every word which are complicated. Okay, so first our article, there are two articles in this editorial session. The first article is failing on fires and the second one is women and uninterrupted. So both we are going to discuss. I'm going to briefly analyze you both the articles but in two separate videos. So we'll go quicker and faster into the first article of today's editorial analysis, that is failing on fires. What does it mean? So it is about nowadays in this pandemic only we have seen many fire incidents, fire accidents. Why is it going on? So is the government being negligent about fire incidents and fire accidents? So we don't know. So we'll go and see what is there in this. Okay, we'll deeply discuss about this article. Failing on fires. Srisailam power plant accident underscores the importance of fire safety codes. Srisailam power plant underscores. What is the meaning of underscores? There's nothing but underline something to emphasize. So to make it important, underline something to emphasize. For example, the need for fire detectors and cargo bays was underscored by some accidents in the 1980s. Okay. Srisailam power plant accident. This power plant accident is underscoring the importance of fire safety codes. Okay. A fire in a hydroelectric station based a fire in a hydroelectric station located close to unlimited quantities of water would seem to be a contradiction. But as the deadly blaze in the Srisailam power plant shows, power plant. Okay, what is meant by blaze? Fire, flames, conflagration, expression of anger. So you say that, why are you to blaze? So itself indicates that why are you so much angry? So we can call it. So when you wanted to use any complicated language, you can call it even blaze. Okay, blaze, fire, flames, conflagration, expression of anger. The sun was blazing down that afternoon. Okay, the risk is very real. 9 people, including 5 engineers. So who are being affected? Who are the victims? Who are in this fire accident? You can 9 people. In that 5 were engineers. Okay, perished in the facility or on the Telangana Andhra Pradesh border. Perished. Okay, what is meant by perished? Die, expire, rot or decay, extremely cold. Hundreds of people perished in the earthquake. It seems like this word is already repeated in the Hindu editorial when we already discussed about it also. Perish is nothing but die, expire, rot or decay, or else extremely cold. Example we already discussed. Okay, at 900 MW capacity, the plant on the left bank of canal of Krishna is one of the biggest contributors. Krishna canal we call, right, is one of the biggest contributors to the Telangana State Power Generation Corporation. What is the biggest power generation which goes from Andhra? It is Krishna canal. Okay, another branch serves Andhra Pradesh. One branch is of Telangana and other branches of Andhra Pradesh. What makes the accident more disturbing is that it comes as another shock in a season of disaster. So we can call the season as season of disaster. It is another shock in the season of disaster. Okay. Industries and power plants in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana have been wrecked by the accidents during the COVID-19 pandemic. What is meant by wrecked? Industries and power plants. Wrecked is something. So what they gave here is WRACKED. or like the WRECKED, both are having the same meanings. You need not to be confused. You can use anything else. Okay, wrecked, badly damaged, very drunk. The ship was completely wrecked, badly damaged, or you can call it as very drunk. The ship was completely wrecked. Okay, so where are we? In Srisalem, the fire appears to have started in a control panel during maintenance. So where did they start? In the control panel. So when? In Srisalem, the fire appears to have started in a control panel during maintenance itself. The victims were unable to make an exit through an escape tunnel. The victims, okay, they are not able to find where the exit tunnel is. They were unable to unable to make an exit through an escape tunnel and were overwhelmed, or like you can call it engulfed. Engulfed by smoking, while others at different levels could flee. Flee is nothing but run. Could flee in time. Going by official accounts, the smoke made it difficult even for rescue personnel to enter the 4-story structure. Okay. Moreover, videos by staff present a spectacle of small fire rapidly engulfing the working area. What is engulfing? Engulfing is nothing but surround or cover something completely, immerse or inundate. These flames rapidly engulf the house. Okay. And the next one. Moreover, videos made by staff present a spectacle of a small fire rapidly engulfing the working area, trapping the personnel and leaving little room for maneuver. Maneuver is nothing but move carefully, skillfully, guide, navigate. Move carefully, skillful, guide, navigate. Okay. For example, the management tried to maneuver her into resigning. Telangana has instituted a CID inquiry on this issue, apart from the plant operator's own probe. But an external technical audit with no conflicts of interest could better serve the objective identifying lacunae to stop a future catastrophe. Catastrophe is nothing but a suddenly occurred disaster. So, and lacunae is nothing but unfilled space or a gap. Despite all this lacunae, those reforms were a vast improvement. Okay, catastrophe. What is another catastrophe? Disaster, calamity, crisis. They were warned of the ecological catastrophe to come. It can determine why the victims could not make a safe exit as per standard procedure. Large hydroelectric power plants are usually built well below surface level, where generation control and transmission equipment are located. Handling of fire becomes complicated, okay, in such circumstances, and safety features have to be extremely reliable. IEEE standards for substation fire protection, issued a quarter century ago, laid down norms for fixed and portable ventilation system that can remove heavy smoke as seen in Srisalem. Use of fire retardant materials in construction, dual exits, easy vertical escape routes, using staircases and alarm systems are all a part of safety codes. Use of fire retardant materials. What is retardant? Retardant is nothing but substance used to slow down. Like you call it as fire extinguisher, right? It is a fire retardant. So it can slow down the fire. It can remove the fire, right? Like that, you call it as a fire retardant. Substance used to slow down or reduce the intensity of fire. So we call it as fire retardant. For example, potted plants are normally treated with growth retardant so that they retain the shape. And the next, wait a minute, right? Using fire. Whether these features were available in the Telangana power plant, and if they were, why the personnel could not use them to quickly escape the inferno should be investigated. Sudden fire, inferno is nothing but fire. So like fire retardant, if at all this is present, why they are not able to use a fire retardant? The question arises here. Okay. The next inferno should be investigated. The dam fire is primarily the state government's responsibility, but the center should take the opportunity to review safety in places such as Jharkhand, where extensive underground coal fields fires have affected remote communities. India loses many lives to fire each year. It's totally upset for us, right? It's totally tragedical, yeah. At 12,748 accidental deaths in 2018, nearly double the number caused by forces of nature, according to NCRB data. Only a rigorous adherence to safety codes can reduce this shocking toll. Okay, so what? It's shocking itself first. 12,748 deaths, or those are all accident deaths, is all of the nature. So we can't see why are all this coming. It may be any reason. So we should think if the time. Sometimes we say that if the time is bad, something bad happens. If it is good, everything will be good. Okay, we can't determine. So what? We'll go into the tone of the article. So as soon as once you listen this article or read this article, you think the tone is totally